A harrowing new video shows the moment a Delta plane erupted into a fireball and flipped upside down while coming in for a crash landing at Toronto's Pearson airport. Another video showed a passenger recording himself while climbing out of the overturned aircraft and onto the snow-covered runway. At a press conference early Tuesday afternoon, Deborah Flint, CEO of the Greater Toronto Airports Authority, said a total of 21 passengers were hurt with injuries ranging from minor to critical but not life-threatening. She said Delta Airlines has reported that 19 of those passengers have since been released from the hospital, while 2 remain hospitalized as of early Tuesday afternoon. The regional paramedic service told Fox News Digital on Monday that 3 people, including a child, suffered critical but not life-threatening injuries. Flint could not clarify if the child was among the 2 people who remained hospitalized as of early Tuesday afternoon. Delta Connection Flight 4819, operated by Endeavour Air, was involved in a single aircraft accident at Toronto Pearson International Airport around 2:15 p.m. ET Monday, the airline said. The Federal Aviation Administration said all 80 people aboard the CRJ-900 jet were evacuated, as images also showed the aircraft with a shown-off tail and wing belly up in the snow at Toronto's airport. The plane had departed from Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport. Flint said that Toronto Pearson saw extreme conditions and 2 separate snowstorms between Thursday and Sunday. The airport saw more than 20 inches of snow, which Flint said was more snow than we received in all of last winter. There are so many factors that lead us to have gratitude today. Again, I cannot commend enough the crew, the flight attendants, pilots, and our emergency responders for their quick and effective response. It's really, really incredible, Flint said. And when you see that aircraft, it just makes you really thankful for all the safety checks that go into running this, one of the world's safest air transportation systems. Though there were hundreds of flight cancellations from Thursday to Sunday during the extreme weather conditions, Flint said Monday was a clear day used for operational recovery. Another 462 flights were cancelled after the crash. The plane was carrying 4 crew members and 76 passengers, including 22 Canadians, Flint said. Another passenger described to Canada's public broadcaster CBC the moment that he said everything just kind of went sideways. One minute you're landing, kind of waiting to see your friends and your people, and the next minute you're physically upside down. Pete Carlson, identified as an American healthcare worker coming to Toronto for a paramedics conference, said. After the forceful landing, Carlson said he considered it really amazing that he's still alive. He said climbing out of the plane felt like stepping onto the tundra. I didn't care how cold it was. I didn't care how far I had to walk, how long I had to stand. All of us just wanted to be out of the aircraft, he said. They quickly put those of us that were injured with any sort of blood or sign of trauma onto a single bus, moved us a safe distance away, and started to triage and really assess people's severity of injury or ailment. Air traffic control audio released after the crash depicts officials describing how the plane was upside down and burning on the tarmac. 2 patients were taken by air ambulance to 2 different trauma centers, Sunnybrook Health Sciences Center and St. Michael's Hospital in Toronto. A child, about 4 years old, was transported to the Hospital for Sick Children in Toronto. The cause of the crash remains under investigation. The Transportation Safety Board of Canada will be in charge of the investigation and will provide any updates, the FAA said. Delta said its incident response team deployed to Toronto Pearson International Airport on Monday evening, including specially trained Delta Care Team representatives who will provide support for customers and their loved ones. Our most pressing priority remains taking care of all customers and Endeavour crew members who were involved, Delta CEO Ed Bastian said in a statement Tuesday morning. We'll do everything we can to support them and their families in the days ahead, and I know the hearts, thoughts and prayers of the entire Delta community are with them. We are grateful for all the first responders and medical teams who have been caring for them.